morning, guys. We are here again for another year of Photowalk, the Scott Kelby's worldwide Photowalk, together with the Cebu Mobile Shutterbugs. By the way, I am CJ Shara. Let me take you to our journey today. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe and share peace and love!
Good morning, guys! Mayong morning, guys!
Cent sunblock. Proteksyon sa kainit.
So far, ang far na among nalakwan. Padong na may Pierre dress. Ka-awkward. Welcome to Lapu-Lapu! Lapu-Lapu!
Busog na! Let's continue our photo trek. Let's go! Hey! Pretty inita. So nanami sa muang final spot ata, final stop sa muang Scott Kelby worldwide full walk diri sa Millennium Park, diri sa ilalim sa second bridge sa connecting sa Handawi to Lapu-Lapu niya. Actually diri ka po yung take photos niya and I just see what I can do right now, but I want to shoot something for you guys. But I think that ends our vlog for today, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Share peace and love. Bye bye.